In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a frozen or black screen on your Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you're trying to press things and for some reason your screen is just frozen, or like you're trying to press any buttons and it's not working, but when you press a touch screen, it's working. Obviously, you want to be able to use your buttons. It's not ideal if they're not working. So all you got to do is on the very top right, you're going to see your power button. So just go ahead to your power button and just go ahead and click on it and hold it down. Make sure you hold it down and make sure, this is probably going to come up where it says slide to shut down your PC. But what you want to do is give it a force restart. So just keep holding it down and then it's just going to go completely black. That's how you know it's fully turned off. Now to turn it back on, just press the power button again. Then, your joystick's going to light up. You're going to see it on screen. It's working now. And then you should be good to go. And it won't be frozen anymore. You won't have a black screen. And you're going to be able to use all the buttons that you need to. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also check out any of the other ROG Xbox Ally X videos that we have on our channel as well.